Hi, it's Spanners. Today I'm just giving a quick recording tutorial. A couple of people have been asking for it, so I have 3 levels of recordings for, depending on your PC. So you could have an old laptop with integrated graphics, you could have a modest PC or a good laptop, and then there's the high-end gaming laptops and desktop PCs. So I'm going to start off with the settings for those people with low-end laptops and or just old hardware isn't quite capable of anything above this level. So you go to video and then go common and then just set it at 30. This is more than enough for most people. It's not quite smooth, but it's all you need. And then you set both of these to 1280 by 720. This gives you a 720p at 30 FPS recording, which is more than enough for what most people need. And just flick this to bicubic scaling. Next settings we're going to be looking at is for a pretty good PC, something that is very capable and can run Minecraft and games like that at over 60 FPS. So we're looking at 1920 by 1080, just 1080p at 60 FPS. This is about as smooth as most people need. It's good for desktop recordings and also in-game recordings, nice and smooth, and it's really all you need at that level. Just make sure to flick this to 16. And then finally, for the people that just want to go as high in recording quality as you can go, you can change this. If you have a 1440p or 4K monitor, you can change this to it's 2560 by 1440, or 4K is 3840 by 2160, I believe. And then you go to integer FPS value and you can set it to anywhere between 60 and 120 FPS. So something like 90 FPS would be extremely smooth, and if you just want to go above and beyond, you want to slow down your videos and still have it nice and smooth, you can set it to 120. I personally use 1920 by 1080 on both of these, and then 120 FPS, and I switch this to sharpen scaling. This gives a really nice quality recording, and that's what I put into all my videos. Another quick thing I want to cover is the bitrate. So go back to settings, go to output and then recording. It should look something like this. So for the low end you would want to go 5000 would be fine. So you could go, this is the variable, so you could go 5000 and then probably 8000, hit apply and you're good. Then for the mid-range you could go 15,000 and then 20,000, 20,000, and then for anything above that you could go anything above that. So you could go, I personally do 50,000 and 60,000. It's ideal for my recording. If you do 4K 120 FPS, you might want to go to something like 80,000 and 100,000. It's pretty extreme, but it is what it takes. And then configure your recording, all of that stuff, add these inputs, and then you're good to go. So thanks heaps for watching, have a nice day, goodbye.